Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to cook this pork tenderloin here, and we're going to wrap it in bacon, and then we're going to probably have a few little potatoes with it, and I'm not sure what else yet. Maybe it'll be a surprise at the end. So first thing I'll do, I've already washed it off. Now next thing I got to do is get started cutting some of this excess fat off of here, because you don't need it in there anyway. So I'll get started doing that. Now this piece of fat down through here, gristle or whatever it is, definitely want that off, because that's like silver skin, you know, and it is just, it's tough. So, and you can't hardly chew it, and it don't add much flavor to it anyway. So we'll see if we can get much of that off as we can without losing too much of the tenderloin itself here. There we go. Now, so I don't think we need to take any more of that off. Okay, now I've got all that fat cut off that I want off. I'm going to take this BYRON'S butt rub here. I'm going to start putting all over this thing. I'm going to rub it in just like that. If y'all haven't ever used it before, this BYRON'S butt rub is pretty good stuff. You ought to give it a try. Now next thing we're going to do, I've already done it. We get these 3 pieces of bacon here and lay like this on this other flexible cutting board here. Now we'll take this tenderloin here, pick it up, put it right on there like that. And now we'll start wrapping this up like this. Just like that. Oh yeah, don't you know this is going to be good? Now, I didn't say it's going to be good for you. But this is going to be so good. Let me tell you. Now, let me regroup here for a second. Now I'm going to take and put some toothpicks on this bacon here just to help hold it a little bit. Try to remember how many toothpicks you put in there in case you can't find them, because you don't want to service to people with the little toothpicks sticking out like that. I just don't want it curling up and coming off, you know. So, like I say, try to keep track how many toothpicks you got in there so you make sure you get them all out. Now the next thing we're going to do is get out this whisper basket here in this Ninja FOODi. I'm going to attempt to put this down in there. Okay, now we'll scoot it over here where I can get a hold of it a little bit. Try to pick it up just like this. Set it right down in there like that. Now, I'm going to take these potatoes right here. Now it just so happens it takes that tenderloin and these potatoes about the same amount of time to cook. So, we'll rinse these off real good. Wash them, wash them, wash them. So we dumped them out on this towel because I wanted to get them dried off just a little bit. I didn't want them to be completely wet. So now I'm going to take and put them back in this bowl again. A little pump up sprayer here. I'm going to spray them. This is olive oil I'm using. I guess if you don't like olive oil, you can use other kinds of oil. Alright, now I'm going to put some pepper in there. And some salt. Just like that. Just a little more dab of salt. Don't have enough salt in it, I'm sure. Okay. Then we'll get my Mrs. Dash. This is the original blend here. Salt free. Like it matters at this point, but hey. If you're on a low sodium diet, you might not want to try this. Get it in there good, and you know, I just like shake it up in this bowl just like this, and you can see no more than there how they're covered, you know. And if you don't think you have enough Mrs. Dash or salt and pepper in there, you know, just add a little bit more. But I think I've got these covered pretty good right here. So I'm going to take and dump them right in this bowl here, or right in this crisper basket. Just like that. Now I want to tell y'all one thing, if this is not really good, I'm going to be really surprised. And so now it's time to move over. As soon as I get me a paper towel and clean my hands, it's time to move over to the good old Ninja FOODi. Okay, now I'm going to set the basket right down in here. I'm going to turn on the power. I'm going to hit the bake roast button. Well, you ain't going to do nothing until you shut the lid because it won't let you. It's smarter than the average machine here. And then you hit the bake roast button. I'm going to leave it at 375 because I don't want to just, you know, overcook it. I don't want to burn it before the insides are done. So I'm going to leave it at 375. And I'm going to run my time up to 20 minutes. Of course, I'll be checking back with the thermometer to check the temperature on it, because I don't want that pork no more than about 145, 50 at the most. About 45 is what I want it. So then we'll hit the start button. And there it goes. And while you've got a chance and not doing nothing, just watching this thing go around, how about join my channel and give me a thumbs up? I sure appreciate it. And this morning I had 4,000 subscribers. Hey, that's great for me. You know, thank you very much to all you YouTubers that give me 4,000 subscribers. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, it's been going a little bit over 10 minutes now. We'll raise the lid here on this Ninja FOODi. Let me get you over here so you can see me when I do it. Alright, now these potatoes here, I think we'll stir them up just a little bit. Make sure they get all nice and even here. Make sure you get some of the bottom ones on the top and the top ones on the bottom and all such as that, you know. Okay, now I'm going to tell you right now, that is starting to look good, isn't it? I don't know if you can see how that bacon is starting to curl up and all that stuff. And I know the longer I keep this lid open, the longer it's going to take me to cook it, so let me shut it and start it back. Okay, now it's been going for over 15 minutes. I think I'm going to raise the top on this thing and see what it looks like down in there. Oh, that's beautiful, I'll tell you that. Now we'll check the temperature on some of this stuff. Alright, this is about the thickest part of the tenderloin there. Get right in the middle of it. Uh, 125. And over here. That's a little bit smaller part, 130. Now these potatoes, they feel like they're just about done too. They're 190. So it's not going to be much longer. I will go ahead and let it go for the other 3.5 minutes, but no longer. Well, you know, according to Google, and Google is never wrong, the internal temperature for that pork is supposed to be 145. So I don't want to let it get much warmer than it is now. Okay, just beat the cut off here. I'm going to check the temperature again. This is after 20 minutes. Oh, it looks good, and I hope you can hear that sizzle. Alright, now let's see up here where the thickest part is. Oh yeah, I know you can't see that. Well, for one thing, my hand's in the way and you just can't see it anyway, but 143. I'm not cooking that any longer. Those potatoes just, oh yeah, these potatoes, this thing just falls through them like that. So, now the next thing we got to do is figure out how to get it out of this basket here, which is not a problem. Okay, now I'm just going to try to take my tongs here. See if I can get under this bad boy. A little help from my spoon. Sometimes you just got to have a little help from something else, you know. Look at that. See that potato just stuck right on the end of that toothpick there. Oh boy, don't that look good. Alright. Now, let's take a spoon here, get these potatoes on out. Those are good potatoes, those little potatoes like that. If you've never tried them, you ought to try them. Okay, I think the first thing I want to do is remove these toothpicks before I forget. Ouch, it's hot. I think I'll hold on to it with the tongs before I do this. Makes it much easier and more sanitized too. Now, get my little knife over here. And I'll cut this big end off here. Oh, look at that. That's cooked through and through. Look at that. Got a piece of bacon on it this time. And this potato here is just as tender as that pork roast is. I'll tell you right now, if you're a meat and potato boy or girl, lady or gent, this right here, you're gonna love this. Yeah, I just stick that plastic fork right down in it to cut it. No problem at all. Look at that. Now I did let this set for 5 minutes before I started cutting on it, in case y'all are wondering. So that's about it for this little video. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And I really want you to try some of this sometimes. Like I say, it's not going to be the best thing in the world for you. But if you just want to splurge one time, have some meat and potatoes, this will be the thing for you people to do. because that is good. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Hope you watch more of my videos and come back and see me real soon. And until then, y'all have a real good and safe day. Goodbye for now.